Hey guys, so I thought I would do a 4th of July weekend vlog. I don't know, I thought it would be fun to just vlog my weekend. I don't really know what we're gonna be doing yet for the 4th, but yeah, I do know that I need to paint my nails. I'm gonna do like this fun 4th of July nail art design, and I thought I would vlog that. And then I'm gonna be making some cupcakes today. So this is kind of the design that I do like every single year. I don't know, I just think, oh my goodness, my cat just jumped all the way from up there. Really? She's being kind of sassy right now, but yeah. Yeah, you're sassy. So anyways, I'm just gonna start painting my nails, and I'll just show you doing this hand. I'm dealing with really bad eczema right now, as you can see, so I'm kind of embarrassed to show my hands, but yeah, I'm still gonna paint my nails all pretty. So yeah, I'll just do like a little time lapse, I guess. Okay, I'm also gonna be making a TikTok of me painting my nails just for fun. So yeah, I'm gonna start. And I got these napkins from Target. So this is gonna be like the background. Yeah, I had to put my cat in the room because she was just going crazy. Alright, so I'm outside right now because it's really loud in the house, so yeah, I wanted to do the cupcakes, but I'm just gonna show you my nails. It's actually kind of loud out here too, so there's no really good place to film right now. But here are my nails. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, here's this hand, and then here is my other hand. But yeah, I think they turned out pretty cute. I do like the same thing every single year. I like to paint my nails for every holiday just for fun. I was thinking of getting like the Color Street nail strips because my friend actually sells them on Facebook, I think. I'm not sure, but I figure I can do my own nails, so why waste money when I can do it myself. But these are the cupcakes that I was planning on doing. Oh my goodness, you can't even see it. Let's see if I bring it into the light. No, that's even worse. Okay, there. I was planning on attempting making those today. I seen like 2 different versions on Pinterest, but there was this one that I really wanted to do, but I couldn't find the Twizzlers anywhere. I only found the red version, but I was hoping to get the red, white, and blue, and I don't know, like every store we went to, there's like no 4th of July stuff anywhere. It's like it's all bought up, so I probably waited too long. But I thought at least like maybe Party City or the dollar store would have something, or Hobby Lobby or Target, but there's only like just a couple plates and napkins there, so I got some of that. and luckily I had leftover cupcake holders from last year because we couldn't even find cupcake holders, and I'm really not supposed to be eating dairy because I'm allergic to dairy, so oh well, I'm sure a little bit won't hurt. But yeah, I'm gonna make these. I'll probably just do another montage or something of me making it, but yeah, anyways, I'm just gonna get started now. So I'm using red velvet for the cake mix, and then I also got this white frosting, and then here are the Twizzlers. That's basically all you need, I think. I'm just gonna dye some of this frosting blue because I noticed on the Twizzler part they put little like blue dots or something. Here are my cupcake liners from last year. So I'm just gonna start making these now. Okay, so the cupcakes are done, and I'm gonna start decorating the top. I kind of forgot how to do this. I was in a cake decorating class like a couple years ago with my mom, and I'm pretty sure you put the tip part inside first, obviously. I mean, you wouldn't do it afterwards, but we reuse these bags, so yeah, luckily it fits. But I just washed it. Okay, I'm gonna start decorating now. I need to mix my blue frosting. I think I'll only need like a little bit because it's just a little dot on the tips. Whoa, that came out like so fast. I'm not exactly sure how to do this, so I'm just like dipping it in here. Like, I don't know, this is what it looks like in the picture, so I'm just trying to recreate it. Okay, so here are some that I made so far. I found an easier method on how to do this since I had some practice. Okay, I'm kind of dizzy right now, I don't know why. I think I've been doing this for too long. Ooh, doesn't that look so good? Where did I put that? Oh. Okay, so I guess you guys can just watch me make some of these now that I know how to do it. Because the first one I did, that was just a practice one, and yeah, the frosting was kind of messed up. So, oh, here it is. Alright, so here we go. I first just stuck this in, and then I kind of measured, and then I just took it out and spread it apart. It was kind of hard to do it when this was already in and like the licorice was kind of in the way. So yeah, I already ate one and it's really good, by the way. So then I just stick it in this blue frosting. Oh, the frosting is getting kind of hard. I think it was sitting here too long. That's good enough. And then you just stick it in. And this part's kind of hard, but there we go. Turned out pretty good. So I'm just gonna finish decorating all of these because I already wasted enough time making all these videos. But yeah, I will talk to you guys later. Hey guys, so it's actually Saturday. We just got done kayaking and it's been like a long day, so sorry about my hair. I have kind of hat head or whatever it's called. But yeah, I'm like really tired right now and I kind of have a migraine headache. I just took an Advil. I don't know if it's from being out in the sun all day or what. Yeah, I'm trying to drink more because I just feel awful. And I need to take a shower because I was literally walking in swamp. But yeah, that has to be my least favorite kayaking. I don't know, I can't even talk right now. I just didn't really like that river that we went on today because it was just crazy. I tried to vlog using my GoPro to get a little bit of footage for you guys, but it was really hard. I was trying to balance my GoPro on my water bottle because I didn't have like a stand or anything to set my GoPro on, and I was worried that it was gonna tip over and fall because the current was really strong. And yeah, I crashed into like some branches and it scraped like right in my ribs. My mom ended up getting stuck in like a bush and a bunch of spiders fell on her. So yeah, it just wasn't that fun. I mean, I still had a decent time, I guess. I don't know. It was just too much work. Like, going there, the current was like so strong. It was pushing us faster than we could even like paddle, it seems like. And there was just like branches and stuff sticking up everywhere. I don't know where that led to, like Niagara Falls or something. Normally we like kayak in a lake or like calm waters. I don't know, but yeah, we just tried something new. We were gonna be going to this other place, but it was so full, like there was nowhere to park. There was just like cars everywhere, and I think it was busy because it's July 3rd today, so a lot of people were out on their boats and stuff. But yeah, so we ended up going to this new place, and yeah, it was just crazy. And then coming back, since going there the current was really fast and strong, then coming back we were like going against the current, and yeah, I got like a major arm workout, and my neck and arms are probably gonna be really sore tomorrow. Plus, I got a bad sunburn even though I put sunscreen on, and I have a headache, so whatever. I'm probably gonna take a shower after this and just relax because I had a long day. So I thought I would just update you on what we did today. I don't know how that footage is gonna turn out because my GoPro kept sliding all around in my kayak. I was trying to keep it propped up, but it was really hard, so yeah. But we will probably be seeing fireworks tomorrow night. Yeah, I'll probably vlog that. We're just gonna go somewhere nearby. I feel bad leaving my cat behind because last year it was the first year that we didn't see fireworks, because we go to see fireworks every single year, but last year because of the COVID we decided to stay home. I guess we thought that they weren't even going to be doing fireworks, but we found out that our whole neighborhood was like doing fireworks, and it was just crazy, like every which way, like north, south, east, and west from our house. In like every single window I could see fireworks shooting off, and my cat was like really scared. So yeah, I feel kind of bad leaving her, but yeah, we're just gonna go somewhere nearby, and yeah, I don't know what to do about that. But yeah, this year is kind of different, I guess. I don't know. Usually for all the holidays we get together with family and stuff, but I don't know if we're doing that. I don't think we are because we went kayaking today and I haven't heard anything. So yeah, all I know is that we're seeing fireworks tomorrow, so I guess I will just talk to you guys then. Hey guys, so it's Sunday today. We went to church this morning and then we just had lunch. We had salmon, a salad, rice, and a bunch of veggies on the grill. Oh, and then I had a cupcake. I've been having one of those every single day since I made it. But yeah, I think right now we're gonna go swimming, so I have my suit on. And then tonight we're gonna see fireworks, so yeah, I thought I would just vlog because I'm gonna go in the pool right now. I guess I'll just bring my GoPro and you can watch me chilling on a raft. But I think that's all that we're gonna do today, so yeah. Alright guys, so we're off to see fireworks now. I'll most likely end the video tomorrow because I don't know how late we'll get home. But yeah, I guess I'll just see you there.